How to remove Facebook accounts from Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, we will launch Instagram app and sign into your account. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Now tap three-line icon at top right. From this section, tap on Account Center at top of your screen. Now you need to scroll to the bottom of your screen. Select accounts and review the accounts that you have in the account center. So select that. So now here you can see all your accounts associated with Instagram account. So simply you will see remove from account center in the red text or the black text. So simply you need to locate your Facebook profile and select remove. Now you need to tap on remove account and select continue button. Select yes finish removing button and select OK button. So in this way you will successfully remove your Facebook account from Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.